Hello, and welcome to IRONGRID. We're glad you're here. We wanted to cover a few quick things that you can check out now that you're set up. First, add a little personality by adding a profile pic. At the top right of your screen, find your profile avatar. Click it to open your profile settings. To add or change your image, hover over the avatar and you'll see a camera icon appear. Click it and find the image you want to upload. Your profile now has an image associated with it, and your profile image will persist throughout the app. The next thing you can do is verify your company information is correct. To view your company information, navigate to the admin portal in the navigation. Scroll down until you see the section with your company name. Here, you can edit details such as company address, or if you're on the Pro tier or above and use a different address for invoicing, you can add secondary address for payments. While you're in the admin portal, you can add team members by scrolling to the top and clicking the Add User button. Type the information for the team member you want to add. You can also select their access level within the application by giving them employee, manager, or admin access. Finally, we recommend creating a test work order to familiarize yourself with the work order system. Navigate to the Jobs section in the navigation, and at the top right, select the New button. Here, you'll see various fields that can be filled in for your work order, such as project title, client name, client address, client email address, client phone number, the scope of work, any attachments such as images or PDFs, a start date and end date, priority level, and any optional tags. When you're done, click the Submit Work Order button. After you save your work order, you will find it in the Jobs section. Clicking the work order will show you the full work order with everything you previously entered. There are various editing options at the top right, which you can explore and get more familiar with. The work order will contain the client information, the project details, any team members the work order is assigned to, links to documents, any attachments that you have uploaded, any tasks within the ticket, a cost summary, if available, and an activity log, which will show all recorded history between the team members in this ticket. And that's it. We're excited you're here, and reach out to our support team with any questions at support@irongridapp.com.